whenever he goes for an interview, he's asked about the corruption, women empowerment, child labor, something. He starts to get hesitated. Women should do this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And first of all, thank you so much for giving so much love over my previous videos. I'm really grateful for all of that. Now, in my previous video, I asked you all about English spoken queries. I got a video and I got a comment, and this is the comment over here. And the comment was like, whenever the person he goes for interviews and he's asked questions about talking about women empowerment, corruption, child labor in English, he hesitates, he fumbles, he just gets stuck. So how to overcome that thing and how to learn those topics? First of all, you will have to follow my previous video because I have told you multiple ways to practice English spoken, how you can be fluent in English, how you can be so confident, how you can practice step by step without getting insulted by anyone. When you are confident, when you have practiced something multiple times, you won't get insulted, okay? Even if you make mistake, that's just the part of life. I make it in my own language, my mother tongue as well right now. So that's not a case, and you might make mistake in this language. Someone might make mistake in exams, maybe they might get fail. Someone will make mistake in another thing. So mistake is just the part of life. So we should not get worried about that. And you know what? Whenever we get fail or we make mistake, we think about that. As much we think about that, other people don't. We are just overthinking and everything, contemplating that thing. So just make mistake and ignore that mistake, ignore that. And just move on and start talking something else. Like I do in my video, like every time when I get hesitate, fumble or anything I do, I just ignore. Because that's how you can be fluent. Okay. Second thing, practice. Now you have practiced a lot. You will have to practice. That's the key thing. Second thing, now these are the topics which we do not talk about generally. Generally we talk about where are you going, what did you have for lunch, are we going for the party, anything like these are the topics. These are English spoken topics, and these are the topics we will have to gain some knowledge about. So first of all, go and gain some knowledge regarding these topics, regarding social topics, social problems topics, in your own language. Gain some knowledge, have your opinion also, have your point also. What your take on these topics, what do you think about those? Gain some knowledge, what do you think about those topics, how you feel, what do you think, what will you speak, everything. You will have to gain knowledge about that. You can Google everything and watch the videos regarding those topics. Now find some vocabulary which is used multiple times, which is often used over there. Vocabulary. You will also have to gain some knowledge about vocabulary. Otherwise, how will you express yourself if you will have to say something? How will you say if you do not know what you will speak this thing in English? Vocabulary you will have to. So you can just search social topics over Google and write down social topics, write down your point of views. You will have to work a little hard, obviously. When you will try speaking English, try to give your point of views over that. Using those vocabulary, you won't have to remember or learn those every time. Just twice, thrice or 5 times. That's it. You won't forget that thing. Okay, vocabulary learning, you have done it. Now just try to write down your points regarding those. You have gotten the knowledge in your mother tongue. Now you have known the how will you speak those words in English. Now try to write down your points. What are your points are? What your points are, okay? Then just practice what you are going to do over there. You can just start your camera, and you can also do one thing. You can Google a question, social query question. You have practiced a lot. Now this is the time to take action. So write down social topics and just close your eyes and pick one, and now you will have to answer that. So I have selected one. Now I have started my camera and I'm going to talk about that. So yeah, my point of view over women empowerment are, first of all, I really believe that women. So now practice, okay? Record yourself. You have seated like you are in a interview room already, okay? And you are talking, okay, these are my topics and this is my view, and yeah, those are my everything. Now pause that, look at yourself. First of all, it will be easy for you to find your mistakes, where you are mistaking, and second thing, it will give you confidence that yeah, I am doing good and I can do better. Okay, if I can do this, then I can do better with the practice, because practice really makes a man perfect. That's what my idea of, if I had any chance to practice, I had to prepare for the interview regarding these topics, I will do this. And you can also do one thing, like whenever you get time, just sit like that, find a topic and talk about that to your family members. Just talk out loud. Express yourself. This is necessary. This is women should do this. This should be happen. Point out. Just express out everything you have. This was the process, and I hope you have gotten something. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for giving your precious time to my precious video.